Samsung has launched the Galaxy Note 10 Lite in India and revealed the price as well. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite sports a 12MP triple rear camera setup. Galaxy Note 10 Lite price in India starts at 38,999 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite was launched alongside the Galaxy S20 Lite recently. Hence, all the specifications of the device were already known. Only the Galaxy Note 10 Lite price in India was left to be announced. Now, Samsung has launched the Galaxy Note 10 Lite in India and revealed the price as well. The Lite variant of Samsung's late 2019 flagship comes equipped with flagship hardware including the S Pen. Here's everything you need to know about the device. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite specifications. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 2400 x 1080 pixels Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display with 394 ppi. The smartphone is powered by the Samsung Exynos 9 Series 9810 chipset paired with Mali G72MP18 GPU. It comes with 6GB, 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 512GB with micro SD card. It runs One UI 2.0 based on Android 10. On the optics front, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite sports a triple rear camera setup, a 12MP dual-pixel rear camera with f1.7 aperture and OIS plus a 12MP telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture and OIS plus a 12MP ultra-wide sensor with f2.2 aperture. On the front lies a 32MP selfie shooter. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. It packs a 4500 mAh battery that supports 25W fast charging. The device weighs 199 grams. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite price in India. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite Aura Glow, Aura Black and Aura Red color options. It is priced at 38,999 rupees in India for the base 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model. The 8GB RAM variant costs 40,999 rupees in India. Pre-booking of Galaxy Note 10 Lite starts from January 21 at 2 p.m. Galaxy Note 10 Lite will go on sale from February 3 and will be available across major retail stores, online stores and Samsung.com.